Hi everyone and welcome to NameHero.com. Today I want to show you how to manually add a cPanel email account to your iPhone. I have another video on our YouTube channel that shows you exactly how to do this using the automated file. If that doesn't work for you and you need to manually set it up, here's exactly how you do it. First off is you want to log into your NameHero account. So we're going to click Account Login. We're going to enter our username, which is our email address, and we're going to enter our password. Next, we're going to navigate to Cloud Web Hosting, and we're going to select our package, and then we want to go into cPanel. So we'll go over here and click Log into cPanel. Okay, once we get into here, we're looking for email accounts, and you can see this is where we add new accounts, but if we scroll down, you'll notice that I've created an email account called demo@halloweencostumeblog.com. And all I did was simply just set it up right here and made a strong password and the username here. Okay, so we want to click on Set Up Mail Client. And you can see, and if you relate back to the other video I filmed, is I clicked on this link here to download that file, but I actually logged into cPanel from my iPhone and downloaded this file inside the Safari browser, and it set it up automatically. If you're having trouble doing that, you can manually do this. So what you want to do is just scroll down and you can see the manual settings, and we have them right here in highlighted in gray. So what I want to do is now navigate over to my iPhone, but first I want to go to Settings on my iPhone, and then you want to scroll down Settings and go to Mail, and then from Mail click Accounts, and then click Add New Account, and the screen's going to look like this. Let me switch it. Okay, and so this is where you add a new mail account. If you've had an iPhone for any amount of time, you're probably pretty familiar with this screen if you've ever set up an email account. What you're going to do is you're going to click Other, because it's a different type of account, and you're going to click Add Mail Account again, and now we're going to enter some information. So this is a demo. You'd enter your name here, and this is going to be demo@halloweencostumeblog.com. I don't know if I could have picked a longer name for a demo, but I did. And then we're going to enter our password. Now this should be a strong password, and it should be something that's easy to type though. If you use that password generator, sometimes it gives you a really hard password to type in your iPhone. So, just use a combination of symbols, uppercase, lowercase, and numbers, and you'll be just fine. Okay, and now you can name it. If you want to name it a description, you can leave it Halloween Costume Blog or whatever it automatically fills. That's what I'm going to do. Or you could just call it the email address itself. We'll click Next. It's going to look it up. And now we have to enter some of the manual stuff. So if we're still looking at our computer screen, we know our incoming mail server is just halloweencostumeblog.com. So we're just going to enter that again. And then the username is going to be demo at, this is a simple email address, Halloween Costume Blog again. Okay, it's going to bring our password over. Now we have to enter the outgoing server, which is going to be halloweencostumeblog.com. Our username is going to be demo@halloweencostumeblog.com. And we're going to enter that password one more time. And this is why I like using that file that I demonstrated in the other video, because all you have to do is enter your password once to confirm it. This here, if we mistype something, we're going to start getting errors, and we're probably going to pull our hair out. So I'm trying to figure out what's going on with the account. So that's something to remember with the iPhone is, as long as you're using the latest version of iOS, cPanel does a really good job at keeping that updated. So you don't have that issue of having to type in the password so many different times and type in the mail server so many times and all that fun stuff that turns into not being so much fun. So you can see right now it's just still trying to verify that everything is correct. But those are the settings, and you can see now it's going to ask you if you want to sync the notes. I just leave the default off and click Save, and then it should add the account here. Okay, and the account has now been added. So now we can head over into that account, and you can see it's all in there. And we can check it. We can check it by going to our home screen, clicking on the mail icon, and we can see we have the Halloween costume blog, and we can see my test email that was sent earlier is all on there. So now we're all set, and we can send emails from here, and we're all good to go. So that's how you manually do it. I prefer the file because it's less typing, but if you prefer to manually do it, then you can have at it. That's how it goes. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know, but that should get your email up and running on your iPhone. Thanks so much.